There we have it, a series of cascading triplets of the type you often find in hornpipes, and you may have recognised that that indeed is the third part of the well-known Belfast hornpipe or sweeps hornpipe. So we're going to look at how to do these easily on the C#D box, and we'll start with pretending we're using a one-row box. We're going to stay on the D row and look at how to deal with these, and then we'll look at some alternative methods as well. All right, now the first prerequisite is that if you're going to be able to play these fast triplets with a lot of inning and outing of the bellows, you need to have your bellows under control. And in the description I'll put a link to the video that I made years ago about using the bellows efficiently for playing diatonic accordion, Irish music, in and out passages, because you need to be able to get these little bellows movements have to be very precise, and the box needs to be steady, and you don't want to be using them flapping around. Alright, so you need to get that under control first. So that's a prerequisite. So here we go. I'm going to show you now how to play these on the row. I'm starting here with my ring finger and two leading notes. And here come the triplets proper. The first one is fairly straightforward. We're going to just play it with 2, 3, 2. Now, that's 2, 2, 2, which repeats as we go down the sequence. Then we get the next one. I'm going to play it like this: 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. That has the effect of freeing up my index finger for the next passage down. Then we get another 2, 2, 2. 1, 3, 2. That's the end of the phrase. Of course, there is one passage there. When we do the 1, 3, 2 on the C#, D, C#, there's no bellows direction change. So then, slowly again, start with the ring finger up here on the A. 2, 3, 2. 2, 2, 2. 1, 3, 2. 2, 2, 2. 1, 3, 2, all on the pull. 2, 2, 2. Okay, so let's play that slowly together. One more time. Again. Okay, we've got the hang of it. So apart from the first little triplet of 2, 3, 2, we have two patterns. We have the 2, 2, 2 and 1, 3, 2. 2, 2, 2. 1, 3, 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's move on to the next phrase now. This moves up higher to our top B here. And it starts with the 2, 2, 2 phrase. And it finishes on A. Let's do that for you slowly. 2, 2, 2. 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2 on the pull. We don't actually need to do that. We could have done 1, 2, 1. And finish on A, like this. Then we go back to the other phrase, first one, and we keep going down. Sorry. pinch on E. Let's try that last one again. Last one again. So let's try all three phrases together. Slowly, okay? Here we go. Now, as a wise Irishman once said, now you have it only just to practice it. So what you need to do is to practice that slowly, take it slowly, make sure you're keeping your bellows in a tight rein, make sure you're doing the 2-2-2, 1-3-2, 2-2-2, 1-3-2 pattern, and you can gradually speed up. And take your time about it. You don't have to get it up to lightning speed today or tomorrow or even next week. If you just make this a practice routine, and do it every time you pick up the box for a few weeks, you'll soon find that it'll start to come nice and fluently. And once you've got that, then you can learn the rest of the tune. Why not? There we are. So that's the one row way of playing it. Now let's look at another way of handling those by playing slurred triplets. All on the row. Sorry, hesitated there. Of course, some of the notes sound a bit wrong, but when you do it fast, it all comes out in the wash. Now the trick about this, again, we use a 1-3-2 pattern. Here we're doing 2-3-2. Again 2-3-2. And now when we get to the 1-3-2. So the trick with this is how to do it slowly. You have to think about it. The trick with this is, again, when your first finger comes into play, then you play the next grace note with your third. So 1-3, 1-3-2, 1-3-2. Okay. Similar thing in the again. And then all the way down. Together. Again, practice these slowly and build them up, and don't be in a hurry to do it. You can take a couple of weeks or a month about it, but it will come. Alright, that's the second way of playing these triplets. Now the third way of playing these triplets is to use the magic notes or the reversals that we get on the outer row of our C-sharp D box. So if you've been following this on your one row box or your DG box, it's probably time to part company. But let me just show you how this works. We make use of the outer row F sharp and the outer row C sharp to smooth things out. Instead of playing, which is very nice, we can try something much smoother. Okay, so we have to do some in and outing, but a lot of it is now slurred phrases. So F sharp, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, E. Now we can play C sharp, D, C sharp. This is a kind of 1-2-2 figure to free up our index. Do that again. Second phrase. I made a mistake in that last bit. So there we are. There's three ways of doing that. I think it's important to learn the all on the row playing, just to improve your general technique and your bellows control, but nothing to stop you from experimenting with using the reversals and getting a smoother effect. And of course, if you play similar phrases in different keys, for example, there's a lot of Scottish strathspeys you'll come across with cascading triplets in the key of A or even G, and then of course you'll be doing a lot of slipping and sliding across the rows. But I would say this tune, the Belfast Hornpipe, the third part, will give you a good grounding in and out triplets and slurred triplets. So have fun, and again, don't be in a hurry. Practice them slowly, build them up to speed slowly. Take a few weeks about it. Play these phrases every time you pick up the box, okay, for 5 minutes before you start doing anything else. Have fun.